Hey guys, my name is Tara Griffith. I am currently a teacher at Shawnee Heights High School, which is located in Tecumseh, Kansas, which is basically Topeka, Kansas. Just coming at you real quickly to tell you a little bit about myself. First off, some goals for this class. I'm always looking for helps and anything I can do to help my students' lives with technology easier, as well as my life as a teacher be easier. Couple of my strengths and weaknesses. First off, strengths. I love using computers and sometimes I'm not afraid to try new things, so that's helpful. Weaknesses, sometimes I get a little too excited and I like to try something before I fully understand it. And so sometimes that puts me at a disadvantage because I'm not fully there with it. As far as interests, I just got a new iPhone. I know I'm the first one or the last one to get on board with an iPhone, but now I have an Apple at school, an iPad at school, and I also have an iPhone so they can all talk to each other. So I'm excited about that and the airdropping possibilities. Um, I think I have about 5 classes left for my master's, and then I will have a master's in instructional technology, which has always been my goal because I think technology is somewhere we're always going to be and it's just going to continue. And so I've got to stay continued growing with it and getting better with it and using it to my students and my advantages. The only tip I would have to have tell people is just to continue to break things down into smaller steps. I'm one of those people that likes to make a list. As you can see over here, I like lists. I also do to-do lists. If you've done Google Keep, that's a really awesome to-do list, and you can check them off. And a lot of times you feel pretty cool about checking things off your list. So Google Keep and making lists and just kind of breaking it down into smaller pieces so you don't get overwhelmed when you see how many assignments you have. I look forward to interacting with y'all. Thanks. Bye.